You know I'm with the mob. Bitch, you criminal smooth. 100 bands for a kilo. And it ain't nothing new. Monograph of the loop. And I hang with the mob.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is packing with me to San Antonio. Cause why not film? You want to see my OOTD necklace, my shirt, and my pants from Fashion Nova. Ooh, she's a baddie. Okay, anyways. I'm filming what I'm gonna pack San Antonio, so I want y'all to be packing with me. So like, why not? Forget Starbucks. Let me put Starbucks. Okay. So let's start packing. First, we're gonna pack clothes. And don't mind. Oh, you can't even see Sissy. She's right there. But okay, we're gonna pack clothes. I'm gonna pick an outfit. So let me get this real quick. So I wanna wear this outfit, this Clueless vibes, with just a white long sleeve. I don't have a crop top on, and I need that. So that, and I'm thinking about like Fila's. I want to take Instagram pictures. Yeah. And I should also do a video, the TikTok, the viral with the purple shampoo and socks with curls. You put socks in your hair, it makes curls. That's an idea. I don't know. I'm just saying. But yeah, add that outfit. I don't know if the weather's gonna be like over there. So I don't know. So I had that idea. I was like, I want to take cute clothes. I want to take cute clothes, but I also want to take comfy clothes, but I don't want to take too much clothes. So I don't know what to pack. I don't know if to take biker shorts. Biker. This Forever 21 crop top red long sleeve with biker shorts. Or also Fashion Nova shirt with biker shorts. That looks super cute. I gotta think of a New Year's outfit too. And also I pack my makeup when I'm doing in the morning. I pack it while I'm doing this, so I'll put it in whatever I'm done after using. After I'm using, I just throw it in my bag, zip it up, and another bag. Ready to go. I did my makeup. You're really pretty. Came up finally. I had a thumbtack. Hopefully it doesn't fall at me at night and like glass holes all over the place, but like I for sure want to take the Clueless outfit. I'm gonna call it like that. So I'm taking that one. I need to take like tank tops. Not tank top, but like short sleeve, because I don't want to be too hot or too cold. So I'm gonna take my personal t-shirt I got from the concert. I'm gonna take that. I can match it with biker shorts. I'm gonna take leggings. I'm gonna take black leggings. I can pair with biker shorts with a back. I'm gonna take biker shorts and leggings. Fold that up. This is a picture of like chilling around with me, doing anything, just wearing shirt. So let me pack that in. So I don't have a suitcase, and I always use the bags. I don't use suitcases. I don't have one. I need to get one, but I use duffel bags or I use backpacks. But when I take that stuff, I pack a lot. Not really, but like I like to stick everything in one bag and I just don't have enough room. Okay, what was I saying? I forgot where I left off. My camera just shut. Well, yeah. Oh, I know what I was saying. Okay, I don't have a suitcase, so I just use like a duffel bag or backpack, but like I pack so much, so like I don't like to have like all these kind of bags with me, so I like to stuff everything in one bag, so I use my duffel bag. I'm gonna start packing now. So I already put in my Post Malone shirt, and I'm still debating on this, but I'm taking my biker shorts for sure, so I'm gonna pack that in there. I don't have a white crop top. It would be much better if I had a white crop top, but it's okay. But I gotta take little black shorts to wear under because we girls don't wear. We always gotta wear shorts underneath our skirts or dresses. It depends on what you're wearing though. If it's not too thin, you know. So that's the shirt. This is like such a cute outfit. Like, who doesn't love this? And it curves so it can fit your body. Like, yes. So, I want to get those little cube organizers that everybody uses, and it's supposed to like help your organization while packing. And I like them. I'm gonna get those someday on Amazon. Okay. Those are the for sure outfits I'm taking. Is these are to the baby? I don't know. Mama's still in my closet. I'm gonna take my feelers. Can y'all see that? Cute. I'm gonna think about my shirts, but let's start packing my night clothes. I wear one shirt throughout the whole time it's in there. So I like to take to wear at night Adidas shorts. I have those. I'll pack this Orlando shirt. So I'll pack this shirt this weekend. If y'all don't do this, you know the sheet cover thingies that comes in to put your sheets in? I use this to put any of my bras, underwear, or bathing suit, so it can be organized and hidden. So we take stuff like I dropped my phone on my foot on the edge, hit my foot. Oh my god, so I'm gonna take these outfits then. I'm gonna take these. Then I'm gonna take a bandeau, a T-top. I'm gonna take a few. I'm gonna take one. Okay, what's next? My electronic bag. So I have this bubbly. My phone went off. This was a makeup organizer that my neighbor got me a long time ago from Amazon, and then she got my name engraved. But oh my god, it looks so white. I took out the organizers and it's like a lot better. I have a lot more room, and I'm using it as my laptop and computer case when I travel. Because I didn't have one. So I'm using this for now because, you know, saving money. So I have a screen light and a claw thing. I do have Beats. They're the pink ones. I like to use these. If I don't want to use my AirPods, I'll just take these just in case. So I'm gonna pack that. And this pink bag. So I'm gonna pack my laptop and my camera, iPhone charger, my laptop wire, cube wire thing. Make sure my AirPods work. I'm gonna get a case tomorrow for my laptop, and I'm gonna get a new phone case. And so I'm gonna do an Amazon favorites because y'all know who y'all need things in your life that I love, and I shop almost like every week, and I get mail in every week. But the lady hates me. But I mean, I can't help it. I love Amazon. Yeah. Okay. Bad boys. Look, I put all my charms on there. It looks so cute. Oh, I need about the 0. But yeah, I might wear these when I head over there. So I'm gonna take my feet on. I have my shoes on my shirt. And I like to do my like skincare and that the night before. Okay, let's put my hair up because I hate these walls, they're so thin, but like I put my hair up because it's hot. But yeah, I need to do my braids and myself, so I just want y'all to come pack with me my clothes. Hope they come out cute. So, hi guys, I hope y'all enjoy my video. And I'll probably do like clips to when I'm over there. I'm gonna edit while I'm on the road. So yeah, I hope y'all guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't watched my recent video, don't forget to watch that because y'all can see what I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!